Hey guys, I'm Meteorologist Chris Homer. Let's talk some mountain weather. Tracking one cold front here for the west, and it's coming out of Canada. It's going to drop down through Montana, Wyoming, and then through Colorado and into New Mexico. But here's the view up at Sunshine Village up there around the Banff area. I mean, beautiful view with that lift coming up. You guys, you could get a little bit of snow up there today as this front drops out of Canada and then down into Montana. We're at Big Sky right now. We're just kind of waiting on this storm system, waiting on this cold front, I should say. Nothing happening there as of right now. Let me show you what the flow is. The storm track here is the water vapor imagery. The reds and oranges show drier air aloft, and so the areas in white and blue show the moisture aloft. You can see the storm track's basically taking everything and shuttling it up, way up into BC, and then the jets dropping down. You can kind of see that cold front right there moving down into Montana, and then that storm track is taking everything and kind of dumping it out to the east. So what's happening is, let me just mark this high pressure that's sitting right about here, dominating California. So there's a little cold front. You can kind of see it right here, kind of running down the eastern periphery of this high, and that's what's going to bring this round of snow to that area. And there's a storm here, another storm back here, but everything for now, until we get into February. And I think the pattern's going to change for the west come February and replace this high pressure with lower pressures. But that is the setup as of right now. Let me just show you what the GFS model thinks, the American model here. Let me take you into Tuesday morning. And by Tuesday morning, that snow is moving out of Montana through Wyoming, brushing the Wasatch of Utah. Only light accumulations, very light. Moving into Colorado, and then during the day on Tuesday, it moves through Colorado. And by Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, this is Wednesday morning, it's dropping down through northern New Mexico, Taos, Ski Santa Fe, Angel Fire, and moving away. There's a tiny little cold front on its heels. You can kind of see it right there. Wednesday night, Thursday morning, some very light snows drop through Wyoming and Colorado, even lighter than the first front. And then that's out of there. And then high pressure is there for many days. Look at this storm on Friday night, Saturday, that is possibly going to develop off the northeast, off of New England, off the northeast coast. Look at that thing, 976, 975. If that comes together, that will be a major storm for New England and the big ski areas of the Northeast, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. If it comes together, not set in stone, but that would be a significant snow. So if you're looking to ski something this weekend, I mean, look at the west, high pressure. Go to the Northeast. Saturday, Sunday, that's where you're going to find that big storm. All right, let's move ahead. Let's look ahead to the 1st of February. Right here, morning of the 1st. Look at the pattern change underway. California actually has snow in the forecast. This is what could be waiting for the west come February, an actual drop in pressures, an actual shift of the jet stream, and snowy weather could be returning come February. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. That could be exciting. All right, my snow forecast, basically all of today through the 28th. You can see potentially an inch of snow up there around Banff. Again, that's with the front that's moving through that area right now. Very light snows, though, brushing the Wasatch today, tomorrow with an inch, brushing the Tetons. Potentially 2 to 6 inches in Colorado and also northern New Mexico with this front today and tomorrow. I'd shoot for Loveland, Vail, Winter Park, Cameron Pass, Steamboat. I'd look at Taos, Angel Fire, and Ski Santa Fe tomorrow after this storm exits. So, in fact, tomorrow into Wednesday after it moves through New Mexico, because it's always a little bit later there. But yeah, tomorrow will be the prime time for Colorado, and then tomorrow into Wednesday for northern New Mexico. Here's phase 2. This is the 29th through the 2nd of February. And right off the bat, you can see what has happened. The pattern is shifting. Actual snow in California is forecast from Heavenly up to Mount Shasta. Look at Shasta. Look at Bachelor. Look at Timberline. Look at Stevens, Whistler, Baker. Actual snow has returned. Significant amounts of snow. So this is awesome. Also BC, Banff area snow in the forecast. Schweitzer's got snow in the forecast. 6 to 7 inches there of the Wasatch during that time period. Colorado could see 3 to 8 inches during that time frame. Look at the Tetons, 4 to 8 inches of snow. I mean, so what we're seeing here is really a light at the end of the tunnel. If the pattern does shift, and it looks like it's going to, in early February, we could bring an active jet back into the west and deliver snow amounts that look like this. All right, enjoy it. And again, watch the Northeast for this weekend if that big storm develops. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in here. Always appreciate it.